Taking a benchmark. The most critical task in all of screeding preparation is taking a benchmark. The benchmark is a precise measurement of the distance between the finished grade and the height of the laser beam. This measurement is then used to set the same distance between the mast-mounted laser receivers and the grade the screed head will maintain. To start, attach the handheld receiver to the grade stick. Make sure it is mounted firmly up against the lip on the grade stick mounting block. If it isn't, the benchmark and your floor will be off. Hold down the on-off soft key until the receiver turns on and goes through its calibration. The receiver has several sensitivity settings. For most jobs, set it to 1/8 of an inch. Set the audio level to high so it can be heard easily over the noise of the job site. Set the measurement standard to fractions. Put the grade rod on the elevation benchmark. Then, using the bubble level on the grade stick as a reference, keep the grade stick straight. Extend the grade eye above the laser beam and then lower it back down until it is on grade. You'll hear the solid tone that indicates that it has found the laser beam. When taking this measurement, it is imperative that you always start high and then lower the receiver into the transmitter's beam. Otherwise, the benchmark will not be accurate. The stick is now on grade and your benchmark is set. Lock it in place. Record the height indicated by the grade rod. Remember to work carefully throughout this procedure. Making an error at this point could cause the entire floor to be placed above or below grade, and that's an expensive mistake to correct. Now that the grade stick has been set against the grade reference point, you should walk the grade stick around the placement area, checking that all forms and other grade references have been properly set. The walk-around inspection is extremely important. Not only are you verifying that all perimeter forms, plumbing, dock levelers, doorways, and previously poured concrete are at the desired elevation, you are also verifying that the laser system itself is operating properly. Also, while doing the walk-around, you should make a note of the location of plumbing or other obstructions that you'll need to avoid while screeding. Finally, once the benchmark is properly set, you should always use the same benchmark for that pour. If the job supervisor does not give you a benchmark, pick a spot and mark it. You can reference and adjust this later if need be. Note that a job site can have different benchmarks for sections of the pour.